Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Bliss Style. My name is Muhammad Walid and we are taking a look at the new Redmi Note 13 5G. Let's see if the budget phone can compete with the big boys. Alright then, let's get started with the unboxing. The phone packaging comes with a red box manifesting its name on the top, and the specifications written on the back, which we'll be discussing later. So let's get into the unboxing. Inside we have got the first accessory box in a red box. Then we have a frame. Underneath we have the phone itself. Then we have a charging case, which is a 33-watt fast charge with the orange interior. Then we have the cable, which is type A to type C with the same color interior. So let's keep this aside and check what's in the red accessory box. So it's a silicone black case, which I feel it's a matte case. Yeah, this is a glossy interior with a exterior matte finish, which is a very good quality case which Redmi has provided. So let's keep this aside, and we have a user manual. So let's keep all this aside and look at the phone, which comes in a few different colors, but I went for the aortic white. The back panel has a nice glossy finish that catches the light. It is made of plastic, but it feels surprisingly premium in hand. Overall, the design is clean and modern, with the focus on the bezels and a sleek profile. On the left hand side, we have the SIM tool tray. Bottom side, we have a microphone, USB-C and a speaker grill. On the right side, we have the volume rocker and the power button. On the top side, we have the 3.5mm jack, air blaster and secondary microphone. This phone comes with a triple camera system on the back with a main 108 megapixel sensor. I'll be sure to test out the camera in more detail later, but so far the photos I have taken look pretty good. So the basic Redmi camera features comes as shown in the video. So the in-box Android version comes as Android 13 with this phone. We have two variants in this, which comes with 128GB and 256GB, and the RAM has three variants, which is 6, 8 and 12GB. So this phone comes with a 120Hz refresh rate with a display of 6.67-inch immersive display enhanced viewing experience. And the battery life is 5000 mAh, which can last up to 2 days in normal usage. Also talking about the screen, it's a super immersive AMOLED super smooth display and the slimmest Redmi Note yet, with a 7.6mm size with a corning. Now it's the time for display and the sound test. Unbelievable, the puzzles look so thin, which makes the video very beautiful and contrasting. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 13 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. It's paired with either 4GB or 6GB RAM depending on the model you choose. So far the performance has been smooth and lag-free. I haven't experienced any slowdowns or hiccups even while multitasking. Let's dive into the conclusion. So the verdict on the Redmi Note 13 5G. Overall, I am really impressed with this phone. It offers a great display, decent performance and a long-lasting battery. A capable camera system, all at a very competitive price point. If you are looking for a budget-friendly 5G phone that won't break the bank, the Redmi Note 13 5G is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Bliss Style signing off.